In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename and delete reports on the dashboard in HubSpot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update a report's name so it's easier to find, and how to remove a report you no longer need. Before we start, make sure you have permission to view and edit reports in your HubSpot account. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. Type HubSpot, then click the official HubSpot website. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. Hover your mouse over the navigation so the menu expands, then locate the reporting area. From there, click Reports to open your list of available reports. You'll see a grid or list of reports that you or your team have created. If your list is long, consider using the search bar or filters to quickly find the one you want to change. To rename a report, hover your mouse over the report you want to update. You'll see an Actions menu appear. Click Actions, then choose Rename. A small window will open where you can type the new name. Use a clear, descriptive title that communicates the purpose of the report at a glance. Consider including the object type, date range, or team, for example. When you're happy with the new title, click Rename Report to save your changes. You should see the updated name immediately in the list, which helps keep your dashboard and reporting library organized and consistent. If you need to delete a report, return to that same report in the list. Hover your mouse over it again, click Actions, and this time select Delete. HubSpot will prompt you to confirm, so click Delete Report to finalize. Keep in mind that deleting a report removes it from the reports library and any dashboards where it appears. If your goal is only to tidy up a specific dashboard without removing the report everywhere, consider removing the widget from that dashboard instead of deleting the report entirely. Also, confirm with your team if others rely on the report so you don't disrupt shared workflows. That's it. Access HubSpot. Go to Reports. Use Actions to rename when you need clarity, and use Actions to delete when a report is no longer relevant. Small maintenance like this makes dashboards easier to navigate and speeds up decision-making. If you found this helpful, apply consistent naming conventions across your workspace and review your reports periodically to keep your HubSpot environment clean and up to date.